मचा।
So hi guys, welcome to today's episode, the first one. For we rode together, and on the show today we have DC fans as well as CSK fans, and we'll be talking about the match tomorrow between Delhi Capitals and Chennai Super Kings. It's going to be a cracker of a game today, important game for both the teams. So let me welcome Shiv Bindra from DC Toli here. Hi Shiv.
Hi Sunny, hi. How are you?
I'm good. We have Ojas also from DC Toli. Hi Ojas, how are you, buddy?
Hi, Sunny. I'm good. I'm good.
We have Tanmay from DC Toli as well. Hi Tanmay.
Hey Sunny, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good. We have three CSK fans, starting with Sarvajit. Hi Sarvajit, how are you, buddy?
Yeah, hello Sunny, how are you, man? I'm doing great. How are you?
Yep. Hi JK.
Hello Sunny, how are you? I'm fine.
Good. And we have Shriram with us. Hi Shriram.
Hello, sir. How are you? I'm
I'm
fine.
good. So coming to the first topic now, last time both teams played each other, Delhi Capitals won comprehensively over CSK. So your thoughts on that match, Shiv?
Yeah, that was a nice match, and that was a close match also. But we were ahead in that match as we got early wickets. That was not a big total for a team like CSK. Like we batted first, and didn't score that much, but still our bowling power was great. Like Rabada and Nokia, that they played a vital role in that match, and obviously Akshar Patel also.
So Ojas, your thoughts on that match, CSK versus DC?
Oh, that was just an amazing match for DC fans. We posted a total of 160 plus. And CSK was a little bit rusty in the chase as they didn't just cope up with the run rate that they required to just win the match. And yes, our good bowling attack lead us to victory in that game.
Good. Tanmay, your thoughts on the previous meeting between the two teams?
Well, it was Sunny. It was a very great game to watch, and the way Delhi Capitals performed, it was not a big total for a team like CSK to chase, as they had a good batting lineup, and with the great finisher like Dhoni in their team. So yes, it was not a big total for them, but yes, the way Delhi Capitals bowled and the way Rabada, Norkia, and the Akshar Patel they reacted to the wicket. It was really great to see, and I think that at that day we observed that yes, we have got good death bowling.
Good. So coming to you, Sarvajit. Sarvajit, how was your experience about that match?
So yeah, being a diehard CSK fan and Dhoni fan, it's like it was a pretty disappointing game. But I really love the Delhi Capitals as my team, and I really support them. The way Shreyas Iyer play, I mean, like I just love their intent, like how they play. So, but where we lacked was when the openers got out and the middle order batsmen were really slow. And when CSK was backing Kedar Jadhav for 6 matches, which is like that's the part where we felt like really disappointed, and we were having like just 35 runs in the power play, and then we were really slow, just 7 from the mid overs. And then we can't put pressure on Taladoni and Bravo, Jadeja, and the latter batsman took it. So yeah, so that's the thing where we had to. But I felt really glad that our bowling was very good, and DC has a very good batting lineup, and all Indians each and every match, like more than 3 or 4 Indians are performing, and that's really great to Indian team. So yeah, looking forward for the next match as well. So hope we win the next match.
Yep, thank you for that. JK, your thoughts on previous encounter between the two teams?
Okay, it was a good entertainment for all IPL fans. It would be. So Delhi Capitals have a strongest batting order. I think one match as Shah's performed and another Dhawan. It has a strong batting order. Though the Chennai bowlers gave some tough to batsmen of DC. Though Chennai middle orders were not too good to chase the target, so we will improve in that upcoming games. So we can see.
Yeah, good to hear that. Sriram, your thoughts on the previous encounter between the two teams?
Yeah, Shani, I was pretty much disappointed on losing that match. I should say that it's unluck for CSK. Tala has not come to on form, so the top order collapsing and middle order also collapsing. I hope that we will bounce back tomorrow.
Cool. So now coming to the match tomorrow, which will be played at Sharjah, and the ground is well known for high scoring games. So Shiv, your thoughts, and also mention the key players you're looking forward to.
Yeah, like tomorrow is a batting paradise for the batsmen, and it will be a high scoring match. Obviously, seeing both the teams, like we have Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, Marcus Choyne is a big hitter. Shreyas Iyer, if he's okay for tomorrow's match, we hope so he is. And also Alex Carey is a great batsman. Like I don't think so Rishabh Pant will play tomorrow's match, but yeah, it will be a great match tomorrow as Dhoni's mindset is so set that he has also changed the opening pair. Like Sam Curran is coming in place of Murli Vijay. That is a great change for Chennai Super Kings also. Like if he scores 15 or 35 runs in 15 odd balls, like that's a really great start for CSK. They are struggling in power play and he has solved the problem for CSK.
And the key players you're looking forward to in tomorrow's match?
From Delhi, the key player would be Kagiso Rabada from our bowling lineup. Like he took 3 wickets in the last match against CSK. He was absolutely brilliant against CSK. And from Chennai Super Kings, Shane Watson is back in form. Like in the starting matches, he was not performing that well, but now he's scoring above 35 in last 3 to 4 matches. So he will be a big player for Chennai Super Kings.
Thank you for your thoughts, Shiv. Ojas, your thoughts on the match tomorrow, and also pick your key players.
Yeah, Sunny, I think the batting paradise has been turned into the bowling paradise in the last two matches. As we have seen, the batsmen are struggling to score more runs against the spin. And we have seen that the last match that Punjab has bowled very well in spin department. I'm also looking forward to how Thala will use their spin that they are having. And as I come to Delhi Capitals, I'm just looking that we are having a very good combination of spin and pace bowling departments, and it will be a good cracker jacker of a game tomorrow. And my key players for tomorrow will be just having a positive attitude for Ajinkya Rahane. I hope he scores runs tomorrow. And for Chennai Super Kings, Sam Curran. This kid is the find of the tournament, I think. And Mahendra Singh Dhoni is just using properly him. I just looking forward for him.
Cool. So Tanmay, your thoughts on the game tomorrow and your key players to watch out for.
Well, Sunny, since Sharjah has been lucky for Delhi Capitals and it's a high-scoring ground, and so I would be looking forward, and I'm just hoping that Prithvi Shaw gains his form back and he scores those good runs with Shikhar Dhawan in the opening partnership. And then after that, I am looking forward in the middle order, in which Marcus Stoinis and a player like Alex Carey from Australia, a big hitter. With him, these two Australian batsmen can turn it into a good score. And in the bowling lineup, we have good pace attack with Kagiso Rabada, Anrich Norkia. And in the last match, the way our new bowler who was in, he performed the way he performed. I'm looking forward for no change in the side. And from CSK, my key players would be, since Watson is back in form, so Shane Watson along with Faf du Plessis. And then in the middle order, and if Chennai is chasing a target, then MS Dhoni will be a good player to watch.
Yeah, thank you, Tanmay, for your thoughts. Sarvjeet, your thoughts on the game tomorrow and your key players.
So yeah, my thoughts on the game would be like I want, if Chennai wins the toss, I want Chennai to bat first. So that would be my opinion, because like Chennai have last match which Chennai played, it was a very good game for us, and hope this continues. And even if we chase, I would be backing both Shane Watson and Faf du Plessis, but I really want like the contest to be very good, because it would be good. The bowling which Andrich and Kagisko Rabada bowls is like more than 150. That would be a very, very, very great contest between bat and ball. And yeah, I'll be looking for Shane Watson and middle order Thala. If Thala chases, yeah, that would be amazing. And from Delhi Capitals, I really watch out for Shikhar Dhawan, and yeah, or even if Shikhar Dhawan and Prithvi Shaw gets out, I'll also watch out for Rahane. So he's a very technically sound batsman, and he hasn't performed for the past two matches. So I'm hoping for a great innings from him. And yeah, with bowling, Ravichandran Ashwin is a very key player, because he has played for Chennai Super Kings, and he will know like how many players from Chennai Super Kings play. So my most key player would be Ravichandran Ashwin.
Thank you for your feedback. JK, your thoughts on the game tomorrow and your key players for tomorrow.
Okay, yeah. Tomorrow's game in Sharjah, right? So it is a batting paradise. Nowadays, last 3 games, the pitch was too slow. Around it will be 160 to 200, the average score. So, in my point of view, key players are Watson and Faf. They are doing their jobs great. And Faf was struggling for past 2 games, and he will be back in this game. So Shardul Thakur is good in depth overs. May he continue his form. In from Delhi side, Shreya Shayar is in good touch, so he can play a major role. And Ravichandran Ashwin is also good in middle order to get wickets, like top orders, Faf or Watson. And he knows some tricks too, and because he have played for Chennai Super Kings before. So in my point of view, DC Rabad also has a good records. So yeah.
Thank you for those thoughts. Sriram, your thoughts on the game tomorrow, and whom are you looking forward to, as a key player from both the teams?
My key player is Karan Sharma, because yesterday Yuzvendra Chahal spin. Sorry.
Okay, I think Sriram is having some problem there. So I'm going to go to Shiv. Shiv, what are your thoughts on our captain Shreyas Iyer? Because, he got injured in the last game. Do you think that he should be rested if not 100% fit, or should he be right away playing in the game tomorrow?
Yeah, we have a great start. We have 12 points on the top of the table. If he's not 100% fit, he should be rested for a game. Like we have someone in replacement for him and one more batsman. I am not getting, like, we can play Lalit Yadav instead of him for a game. Like Shikhar Dhawan can the team set to the victory. Like he is also a great captain, and I think so. Shreyas Iyer is totally fine and fit to play. Like seeing his stories, he's getting recovered. But final will be, we will get to know tomorrow only. So let's hope for the best, and we should pray that Shreyas Iyer get well soon right now and play for tomorrow.
Thank you. And Ojas, your thoughts on the same question?
Sunny, I think he should be rested. It's a long tournament, and we shouldn't risk him for the one game. And he should be rested. And I hope he get 100% recover from that. And we have a replacement. We have a very good depth in the squad. We can also just rest Nokia also for just one game, and just change it and let in place of Hetmaya. Hetmaya can also play in the middle order, and we can also introduce one pacer or one spinner in the squad also, as the Sharjah wicket turns into a spin web for the batsman. So yeah, I think it will be very good to rest our captain and the one leading it from the front.
Yeah. So coming to you, Tanmay. Tanmay, your thoughts on Shreyas' availability tomorrow? If he's fit, should he be rested or should he be playing the match tomorrow?
Well, Sunny, I would like to go with Shiv and Ojas only, as they mentioned that if our captain is 100% fit, then no doubts he will play and he will lead from front again. But yes, if he has some other issues, like he is not 100% fit, then yes, we are at a good level in the points table. We are at the top, and we have no other issues. Like just for one game, we can't risk Shreyas Iyer for the whole tournament. So yes, I think Shreyas Iyer should be rested then, and instead of Shreyas Iyer, we can have Lalit Yadav play. And instead of Anrich Norkia, we can introduce Daniel Sams into the team, so that our bowling lineup is also not down, and also Daniel Sams can hit. Also, he's a great hitter. So yes, definitely we can make changes.
Yeah. So Sarvajit, coming to you, I'm going to talk about Thala. Thala hasn't had that kind of IPL this year. So what are your thoughts on him for tomorrow's match?
So because I am really expecting for Tala Dhoni to perform, because I would watch almost each and every match, and while I was watching last match, Tala showed an amazing instant, because like generally how Dhoni plays is he plays dots for like 1 over and then he starts hitting, and but for the last match he started hitting from the beginning, and unfortunately he got out because of like the ground is too big, and ball was not that fast. So I'm really looking forward for Tala to gain back his touch, and last win against Sunrisers Hyderabad, that too by 20 runs, would be like, so it would be surmount for us, and the motivation which CSK will be having is like huge. So I'm really expecting for Tala to fire tomorrow, because like for the previous seasons, Tala has a very good record against Delhi Capitals. So yeah, I'm hoping that CSK comes out well, and I'm also looking for a but for Shreyas Iyer, even I'm looking for him to perform, because I really love watching him bat. So, but again, his fitness is really important, because we can even rest him for Delhi can rest him for one match, because Delhi are on the top. So we can Delhi can substitute Hetmeyer in that place, and rest, as they told, as rest Andrich, and let Harshal Patel or Ishan Sharma, if he is fit, can come in.
Well, Ishant Sharma is out of the tournament, and I agree with you, Savajit, that we should rest Shreyas Iyer. So coming to you, JK, your thoughts on Shreyas Iyer's availability tomorrow, and also talking about Thala. Do you think it'll gonna be a big game for him tomorrow? JK, you muted, buddy.
Yeah, it will be a big game for CSK fans, because tomorrow Tala will fire up. If top orders will get fail now, MS Dhoni will be giving some amazing shots, so we can enjoy that. And in case of Shreyas Iyer, I think he can be rested for one game, because he is not 100% fit, so he can be rested. This match is not so important for Delhi Capitals, I think so, because they are top in tables, and they can focus on upcoming matches too. So that's okay.
Okay, thank you, JK, for your thoughts. Yeah, Sriram, we lost you there in a bit. You were talking about the game tomorrow. So your thought, continue from where you left, and also your thoughts on Iyer's availability for DC and Thala's performance tomorrow.
Yeah, Sunny bhai, sorry for the connection. The internet got connection got interrupted. Coming there to my point, the last game which was played between the RCB and Punjab between Sharjah. Yesterday, Yuzvendra Chahal got amazing spin in that match. I hope that Karan Sharma will be the key player for MS in tomorrow's match.
And
And I also hope that Tahir plays tomorrow, because yesterday Yuzvendra Chahal got big spinning in last overs. So I hope that Imran Tahir plays tomorrow.
Okay, and your thoughts on Thala?
Yeah, Dhoni is not in the form in this IPL format. Last game between SRH, he showed little knots, a big hitting 1 or 2 meter six. I hope that if the top order collapse tomorrow, Tala will be standing, and hope CSK wins the match tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. So now coming to the last point, the prediction time, and Shiv, coming to you, your thoughts on this. what do you predict? And also, also do share who's going to be the man of the match in tomorrow's match.
Yeah, so both the teams are coming by winning their last matches. Like CSK won from SRH and DC won from Rajasthan Royals. So both the teams have momentum, and both the teams have high spirits. So it will be a close match, but in the end, our heart says Delhi Capitals would win the match. And man of the match would be Shikhar Dhawan. Like seeing the last two matches of Shikhar Dhawan and seeing his last two knocks, he's in great touch. And now he's set to bat in the small ground of Sharjah and score a great knock.
Thank you, Shiv. Ojas, your thoughts, who's going to win tomorrow and man of the match?
Tomorrow will be a crackerjack of the game, but in the end, Delhi gonna just win the match, and Delhi will gonna have the last laugh. And I think tomorrow the man of the match will be Prithvi Shaw, and he's looking to come back in the form, and he will be the man of the match for the tomorrow's match.
Thank you for that, Ojas. Tanmay, your thoughts, winner and man of the match?
Well, it's going to be a very close game because both the teams have got the winning momentum with them and they are high on their energy. So yes, for me, but at last, since I am a Delhi fan, a big Delhi fan, so my heart says, the blue heart says that it's going to be Delhi Capitals who will be winning. And at last, my man of the match, I think Marcus Stoinis will be the man of the match. He will play a great role tomorrow.
Okay, so now the blue heart has said Delhi Capitals. Let's move on to yellow heart. What are your thoughts, Sarvajit, on the game tomorrow? Winner and man of the match?
So as like from Chennai is one of the best teams in IPL, and having Dhoni and Fleming, and I really want CSK to win, and CSK the win, the morality they play, and the killer instinct what they have, even though we might have seen in 2010 season where they just came back like anything. And so CSK will definitely win the match, but I also want the match to be really interesting because I even love Delhi Capitals to watch. I'm following each and every match, and my man of the match pick would be Tala Dhoni, because he's gonna be the man of the match tomorrow. I'm writing this down. Yeah.
Oh, thank you for that, Sarvajit. Now moving on to you, JK. JK, pick a winner for tomorrow and also pick your man of the match.
Yes, tomorrow will be a good game for IPL fans, I think so. And my man of the match award will be Faf du Plessis. Last 2 games he was not performed well, so he will be back and he will be show some good shots and classic shots. So I think Faf will get the man of the match award, and mostly we will win as we continue the winning phase. Okay.
Well, thank you, JK. Sriram, your thoughts on the winner and man of the match tomorrow?
CSK will win, and my thoughts for man of the match is Sam Curran, because last match he opened the innings. I hope that he has the ability to score 50 runs, and he can of course he can bowl and he can take 2 or 3 wickets, and the man of the match I'm expecting is Sam Curran.
Thank you for that, Sriram. So on that note, I'll just end this discussion. And so, you guys can chant for your respective teams. So can I hear a chant for the last moment?
DC,
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 DC. Oh, Delhi re to roar macha.
Oi.
And we
All
also have a
Chennai
chant for
fans.
Rabada.
Yeah.
Yeah, we also have a chant for Rabada. Can we do it together?
Yeah, for
Yes,
sure.
why not?
Let's go. Ra, ra,
Ra,
ra.
ra, ra.
Rabada.
Rabada. Rabada. Come on,
So-
Delhi.
Come on, Delhi.
All the CSK fans, can we hear your chants for tomorrow? The Whistle Podu Army.
So we would wish our Chennai Super Kings in Tamil. So நாளைக்கு கண்டிப்பா நாங்க வெறித்தனமா ஜெயிப்போம். Chennai Super Kings க்கு
பெரிய விசில் போடு.
Whistle போடு, and let's cheer up for Tala Dhoni. And நாளைக்கு தல என்ன பண்ண போறாரு?
எங்க தல தோனிக்கு பெரிய விசில் அடி.
பெரிய விசில் அடிங்க. Yeah. That's it.
திரும்பி வந்துட்டோம்னு சொல்லு.
Yeah.
We are back.
திரும்பி வந்துட்டோம்னு சொல்லு. We are back.
So, well, thank you everyone for that. And, let's just hope that we get to see a cracker of a game tomorrow, because it's a small ground and has been there as a high scoring ground. So let's hope we get to see a high scoring and a close match tomorrow. Thank you everyone for your time and for your thoughts. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sunny.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank you, Sunny.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.